What's up guys, 8K with DCC train. This will be cool video. What you see on the left, it's a double-decker Swiss railroad. I add interior lights and change headlights. This is not motorized unit. The conductor just coming to this unit and controlling the engine in the back. On the right is just a train set, Austrian. They both made by Roco. Car on the left, probably from 90s. Means the press form and everything, yes. And on the right, it's newer model. I believe 1116 came probably like mid-2000, maybe earlier. The purpose of it, I'm comparing the lights, not really comparing, showing. Also, when you take pictures, videos with a phone, iPad, Pixel phone, different phones, they trying to boost everything. On the previous videos, you see lights going in the cab through some areas. I fix everything. So let's get that engine close. It has Zimo decoder as well. Means sound decoder. Okay, that's close. All right. The cool thing also here is this. Well, let's move it a little bit backwards. When I'm just looking without that monitor, iPad monitor, it looks very calm and cool. In the monitor, it's a little bit like super bright. It's not really proper interpretation of that screen, okay? So here we go. And we'll talk about TCS FL4, FL2, same thing, decoders. Now I'm turning the lights and I'm changing direction. And this is Swiss rule. Right bottom, just one single light. Not super intensive, but again, it looks great without that phone thing. Yeah, it's just boosting everything. And no, let's move that actually, and no any lights going through some areas. I'm talking about 90s model, yeah, something like that. All right, and shut it down. Now, take home message about TCS function decoder. They're great. I'm using them for years. FL2 and FL4. Keep in mind, all outputs you can adjust, but they will be all at the same time, output voltage. So with resistors, you change like brightness of your LED, and I'm demonstrating right now. See? But the red, before I adjust everything, was super bright. And again, I'm talking about camera boosting all those lights. So let's go to have fun. ESU LED bar, everything turns with F2, all lights. And I use, on the programmer, it's easy for me, use neon effect. So all those lights starting with starters. Probably right now it's all LEDs, but anyway, this is let's say 90s. Maybe they didn't convert everything. Then F3, F4, you can wait a little bit, or you can put on your program for control layout, delay. So it's another section, and one more. This is F7. So F3 through F7. And just going back using Markling command station. Here I go. F2 again. Everything's up. So cool. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Also, you can buy me a coffee. The link will be in the comments. Have a good one. Bye-bye.